As you can see here, the view from here is actually fine. Hi guys, this is Cave Review, and today we have this scale model of this RMZ City Chevrolet Corvette, right? You have the Corvette Grand Sport model, right? So here is the box of it. Oh, there's a QR code for like Chevrolet RMZ City. Here are the other box as well. Alright, this is a pullback diecast car model, guys. As you can see here, alright, it's very awesome. There's also a box design that you can like touch or feel the materials that is indicated in the car. So others don't have because they are common material cars that are indicated in this vehicle. Alright. So without further ado, let's get open. But first, I'm gonna show you this screw just for it to open underneath the vehicle. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox it here. Yes, so I'm just gonna put it like that and pull it out. ASMR. But anyways, put the box away and I'll demonstrate you. Usually I'm gonna do this in counterclockwise, of course. Do it in the right way. So put it here and alright, it's out of the box. The box away and alright guys, so here is the Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. Alright, then we have here, alright, I'm gonna show you each sides. Yes, each side's here. That's a very clever idea. Alright, and then I'm gonna show you other parts of this vehicle. Of course, for RMZ City car models and these like 132, 136 models, it's a pullback. Or like this one. Move it. Anyways, diecast car has arrived. I'll show you the design. Yeah, zoom it, zoom it, zoom it. Whoops. Right, here is the front view of the car. Yep, that one. So I'm gonna make it closer. Just put it closer to the camera. This one is the 136 scale or 132. Alright, I just don't see the scale model here. So it's actually still a nice diecast car. It's pullback. Alright, the pullback works. 2 screws as usual, and the doors. So as you can see, the doors can be opened. Alright, so this are the interiors inside. Oh, it's actually an automatic transmission. Alright, fuel cap is also on the left. There's a scoop on beside the fenders, same here as well, and also one scoop at the hood. Right, so there's like an intake, and the bumpers I find it very special as well. Right, then there's also like a muffler here, so there are 4 mufflers in here, and as you can see, they have a new Chevrolet logo, guys. Yeah, they have a new Chevrolet logo since it's already updated, right? Before the next generation of the Corvette comes. So this was the previous model of the Corvette from the new Corvette of 2024. All right, so here is the glass. It's very nice. 5-spoke wheels. I'm gonna fix this one. All right, so it's now stable. All right, then the glass here are also shiny as well. Shiny glass here, no scratches. All right, from my supplier, no scratches. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in the ground. Yes. As you can see here, the view from here is actually fine. Alright. There's no scratches, no painting fading here. Alright, seems like the material is very smooth, safe and sound. And yes, so guys, if you have any comments or questions, suggestions, just please comment down below and I'll respond to your comments down below. Alright, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to click the bell button below. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.